Hello everyone, welcome to Haleakala National Park. I am Taylor Ritchie and I am excited to share about this national park with you. This park is a treasure to the gorgeous Hawaiian Islands that we all love, I know we do. And this island contains 33,265 acres of stunning volcanic landscapes, biodiversity and cultural importance since 1961. Mostly what we will be covering in this presentation today is the key geological features of this park and what made it to be and what it is now and why so many people go and visit this park. And I hope you guys enjoy. First off, we got to understand how this island came to be what it is. Formation of the Hawaiian Islands came from a hotspot. This hotspot, which is a stationary area of intense heat in the Earth's mantle, is located beneath the Pacific Plate. As the Pacific Plate moves over this hotspot, it triggers volcanic activity, leading to the creation of new islands, which is exactly how the Hawaiian Islands came to be today. Now, before we get into the geological features and structures of this park further, I just want to take a moment and show you some of the beauties of the park, especially the animals and the plant life that lives in this island. Since the Hawaiian Islands sit in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, it is full of unique species such as the nini, which is the Hawaiian goose, the uau, which is the pentrel, and the unique plants such as the geranium hanansi, the geranium arboreum, and the geranium canadium. Now, on to what the presentation is really about. The key geological features of this park. Haleakala National Park key geological content revolves around its shield volcano formation. Haleakala and the surrounding volcanic landscape, including cinder cones, lava flows, and the Haleakala crater, create a large erosional depression, which is what a lot of the people come to visit and what makes this park so special and so keen to geological features. Now, for taking a step back, here is more to the history of how this park came to be. As we stated earlier, it is a massive shield volcano, and this volcano, Haleakala, formed over millions of years through volcanic activity, with the most recent eruptions occurring between 1480 and 1600 AD. The volcanic rock at this park was formed by 3 phases. The first phase being the Hanumanu phase, which was 1.1 to 0.97 million years. The Kula phase, which was 930,000 to 150,000 years, and the Hana phase, which is the third phase, which is potentially still active to this day, and we will learn later on why that is and why some of these can be very hazardous to this island of Maui. Now, you might be wondering, again, why might volcanoes be here? Let me tell you why. In 1974, the rate of the drift of the Pacific Plate was moving at a rate of 4 inches per year, and while it was doing that, it was moving in the direction of the northwest, creating these formations that are still there to this day on the Hawaiian Islands, since they were formed from the Pacific Plate. Now, the drift of the Pacific Plate means the Haleakala volcano will eventually, over time, be pulled away, breaking its connection to the hotspot. Now, a lot of people and a lot of scientists are going crazy about this main geological feature on this island, which is the Summit Lake that contains a crater formed by headward erosion of Koolau and Kapu Valley, which is filled by cinder cones and lava flow. After years of testing this lake, when it began, scientists determined the lake water was originally rain that percolated into subsurface, where it became groundwater and the chemistry changed and evolved. Now, as you can see in this, the picture on the side, over time the color has transitioned from bright blue to turquoise, yellow, and brown, likely to the precipitation of iron sulfate minerals and SO2 being dissolved into the water. Haleakala has 2 rift zones, the southwest and the east rift zone. These rift zones form an arc extending from La Perouse Bay to Hana. Lava flows and cinder cones found along the rift zones are younger than 500 years, and they extend into the ocean village of Hana, which is on the Maui Island. These rift zones are significant because they represent areas of volcanic weakness where magma can easily reach the surface and erupt. Now, with the rift zones being able to tell when the volcanoes are weak, it also can help for crucial understanding of potential hazards for the island of Maui, and it also actually played a role in the formation of the island's topography as well, since it was able to locate the weak spots and the hot spots of that island. Now, here are all the sources and information for you that I shared today, and I really hope that you guys enjoy learning about this beautiful island, and I would obviously love to go one day and take a visit, and I will let you guys know how that is, but I hope you guys enjoyed and you got to learn, and thank you for listening.